Hey guys, today's been really cool. We've been given the opportunity to come out to the Animals Asia Bear Rescue Centre a couple of hours north of Hanoi. So the rescue centre is all about giving them good quality of life for the last years of their life. Some of these bears have been in captivity for 14, 15 years and haven't known anything other than cruelty for their entire lives. So currently in Vietnam, there's around 2,000 sun and moon bears still in captivity in Bear Bile Farms. The bears are kept in tiny cages, sometimes so small that they can't move or turn around or anything. The actual bile is extracted using extremely painful techniques, which can then lead to infection and other health complications later on. The bile is used in traditional Chinese medicine, but there's actually no clinical evidence to say that the bear bile does anything. Vietnam's outlawed bear bile farming, and it's hoped that all the farms will be closed by 2020. So these guys basically give them a chance to be happy and free and play with other bears and not be stuck in a tiny little cage for the rest of their lives. So that's what these guys do, and we'll show you around the bear sanctuary while we're here. Sprinkle dog food and popcorn on the grass for the bears to eat. It actually encourages their natural foraging instincts.
Light can come inside the kitchen, and he was in dark, suffering dark, suffering hungry for 14 years.
Wow.
And we found him in 2009, so now.
Tiny.
Her name is Puff. They were put in tiny cage and they don't have enough nutrition, that's why.
As well as looking after the bears in the bear sanctuary, they also grow herbal alternatives to bear bile. The plan is that they can educate people that there are other alternatives out there rather than the bear bile, and these herbal alternatives can be easily grown in your own garden. The traditional Chinese doctors are now also recommending these herbal alternatives instead of bear bile. Oh really?
Yeah, so.
A new one every day. After visiting the park, we can definitely recommend donating to Animals Asia to help support the great work they do. They're actually entirely publicly funded, so they rely on donations to operate. They do plan to open more sanctuaries in the future. They're almost reached capacity at the moment, but in order to do that, they're going to need more funds. So yeah, if you do want to donate, you can click the link below or go to their website and donate. So yeah, that was the Bear Rescue Centre. We've got a fair few kilometres still to travel today, so we're going to get back on the bike and get to it. But we'll catch you guys next time. Bye!